Hey guys, so share ko lang itong app na na-discover natin kung saan you can win dito ng iPhone 17 Pro Max as well as yung pinaka-gift box, Rolex, LB Wallet, Hermes tie, or 1 kilogram dito na gold na as well as itong mga iPad Pro. Though medyo late update na rin ito pero for future reference guys no. So interesting itong mga campaigns dito na nakita natin as well as meron pa sila ditong ongoing campaign na ends in 6 days. Trading campaign as well, and makikita natin wherein we can get mga rewards dito, like for example 300 USDT, 500 USDT, 1000 USDT futures, position vouchers no. So itong app na to guys no, hindi mo kailangan dito magpa KYC or magpa verify. So discuss natin yan dito sa video natin today, paano to puntahan. Pero bago tayo dito guys magsimula, kung hindi nyo pa na-like itong video na ito, please like this video first, subscribe nyo yung YouTube channel natin, turn on the bell icon para ma-notify kayo dito sa mga updates natin na ginagawa sa ating YouTube channel guys no. So dito nga sa application na to, as we observe, meron silang mga campaigns, rewards, like for example iPhone 17 Pro Max. So para puntahan pala to guys ay dito sa taas, puntahan nyo lang itong icon na ito. Pagkatapos nyan ay mariredirect na kayo dito and then redeem rewards no, and then makikita nyo itong mga option na ito. So you can exchange if you have this enough points dito. Meron pa dito mga Apple Watch, iPad Pro, Rolex as well. So this one guys is isa sa mga campaigns na na-observe natin. So kung cellphone naman yung gamit nyo is pwede guys no. Ayan. So dito guys sa app, you can explore once na makapag-create kayo ng account. Lalagay ko na lang pala guys yung pinaka-official link sa description ng video na ito para mapuntahan nyo if you're interested, and para na rin makaiwas sa mga phishing links online guys no. So pwede nyo i-check yung pinaka-official link natin sa description ng video na ito no. So ito guys, slide nyo lang ito once na makapag-create kayo ng account. Again, hindi dito kailangan ng KYC no. So you can just create an account dito for free. So slide mo lang ito. Ayan, once na ma-slide mo, punta ka lang dito sa my campaign. Ayan. Dito guys sa campaign, and makikita mo na yung pinaka-details na, like for example itong ongoing, select mo lang siya, and once na mapuntahan mo ay magre-reflect na itong gantong dashboard. Punta ka lang sa my redeem rewards. Ayan, so makikita mo yung mga potential rewards dito that you can claim if ever man magkaroon ulit sila ng gantong campaign in the future guys no. Kasi still ongoing pa naman. Ayan, you can check if you have application guys. Now, again, I'm just sharing this example lang, ideas, and for entertainment, and does not qualify as an investment or financial advice guys. Now, hope you get some insights, ideas dito sa video natin today. So ito guys, kahit cellphone, Android, and iOS is you can also check this application. You can it's free no to create an account, and just make sure to use yung pinaka-official link sa description ng video na ito for discounts as well as for future rewards dito guys no. So for exclusive deals and other campaigns na available in the future no. So yun guys, pwede nyo i-check ito if you have this application no. So cellphone, desktop is pwede. So right now I have 120 or 195 points, so you can claim, like for example itong USDT voucher na ito, pwede kong i-claim. So I can confirm naman dito, and pwede kong makuha yung 2 USDT na fee discount vouchers guys no. So yun, aside from that, meron silang ongoing campaign. Yan. So ito guys, nalalagay ko na lang sa description ng video na ito. Once na mapuntahan nyo, you can just sign up lang dito, and email address lang. Hindi mo kailangan magpa-verify. In terms as well of dito sa kanilang TPS or transactions per second. So dito, yan, leave muna natin. Sobrang bilis dito guys no. I'm amazed as well sa pinaka-transaction per seconds niya dito. Mabilis yung pinaka-executions as well as yung chart no. So decent din naman yung pinaka-chart niya dito, and you can also check yung pinaka-chart ni BTC and other pairs dito guys no. So sa spot, you can also check yung mga bagong tokens na available and other pairs pa dito guys no. And so dito lang sa pinakataas, you can also check yung TradFi, commodities, and yung zero fees guys no, like for example itong USDC, USDT. Yun, you can explore this one guys. Itong application na ito is available naman sa desktop, iOS, and Android guys no. So yun lang. If you have questions, feel free to check na lang sa comment section or comment na lang sa comment section ng video na ito, and you can farm this available like ka itong mga USDT if ever man na yung points na available na makiklaim nyo once na makapag-create kayo ng account is you can get this free vouchers guys na USDT. So, yun lang guys. Maraming salamat ulit sa panunood. Ingat tayong lahat. Peace out. Bye for now.